Hi, baby lovers. Welcome to Baby's Kitchen. So today we are going to be making um spicy prawns and shrimps, right, with veggies, and we're going to be using this to eat jollof rice with spicy turkey. But for the first episode, I'm going to show you how to make your spicy prawns. So sorry, because there's a lot of work I had to be doing. I've already washed my prawns and other stuffs without videoing. Without videoing. Okay, so I'm still going to try and show you, guys, step by step, um, an easy way to make spicy shrimps and prawns. All right. First, let me take you down our ingredients table, right? So this is our jumbo. This is our shrimps, right? This is, sorry, I'm trying to get this one for you guys. This is our shrimps. This is our small prawns. This is our veggies. We have here our spring onions. We are using butter. Our seasoning. Okay, I'm using this everything mix. We have our pepper. I'm using it with lemon. Okay, so this egg is optional. For those of you who don't want to add egg to it, you don't have to add. I might not even add. Sorry, please. To be honest. Okay, so since my prawns is already washed with the shrimps, I'm just gonna turn them all into this bowl, right? So I can season it for you all to see. Alright. So whenever you buy your shrimps or prawns in the market, I always tell people to be careful, especially with seafood. Some people are allergic. So I'm still going to rinse this. I didn't do it before. I wanted to show you guys. Please always do this. Okay? That's for the prawns. Alright, when you do this and you open it up like this, can you see? Can see, right? Good. So this part has to be washed. Alright? Yeah. A lot of people don't know that. So you have to cut it and then remove it like this, and then you rewash it. Alright. So let's get this done quickly. Shrimps do not have that. Shrimps do not have that, okay? But all prawns do. I hear some people are even allergic to it, kind of. Anyway, while we are doing this, let's talk, baby lovers. All of you who are, if you are constant on my page, on my life, okay, if you have been following my account, you know that this, I'm based here in Lagos, Nigeria, right? And with the economy rise, with the situation of the economy, pardon the baby crying, I believe it's my neighbor child. With the rise of the economy, I wonder how people are going to survive this December. Because guys, will you believe that these prawns and these shrimps cost way over 30k? 30,000 naira. This is all of it. Like, I went to the market and I spent close to 200k, and I came back, there's nothing to write home about. Basmati rice that I saw was over 40k. 35 slash 40. Yeah, 30 something slash 40k. First basmati rice. Wonder what's going to happen to us. I pray things get better. But from the looks of it, it's so much that, okay, I'm done now. Let me rinse it one more time. Then I'll come and season it. Okay. Because we are going to season this, I don't want much liquid. So I'm going to allow the water to drain out. So I've turned it inside my drainer so that the water can drain out. Okay, and lemons are washed. I use lemon lime. Go in with your multi-purpose, right? This has all ginger, garlic. See, it has ginger, garlic, everything. So because it has ginger, garlic, I'm not gonna put garlic anymore. All right, this multi-purpose. Can go in with pepper. I love basil a lot. Okay, I know we all know that shrimps and prawns are very delicate, right? Like, they are very, very delicate. They don't like too much spice, which is why I'm not putting too much, but I just love basil. I love the smell, the aroma, and the taste. So I'm still going to put it in my sauce, but I prefer to just add a little here to give me that pure flavor. Okay. I'm not going to add salt because my butter is semi-salted. Okay, I'm not going to add my seasoning because it's already, I'm using the multi-purpose spice, okay? So there's no need for seasoning. Alright, the seasoning will come into the sauce. So allow this to stay this way for some time, just a bit before we stir fry it. Alright. Yes. Okay. So our pan is on the fire, and then let's face it this way. Okay. So because it's our shrimp and prawns, we're going to be using a very low heat, beloveds. So, while the pan is getting ready, let's slice up some veggies. Start with our onions. Yeah. Have you ever tried butter and onions together? Like, you know, when the butter is ready, you're going to add your onions. That aroma, God! If there was a word to describe that aroma, it's yummy. I'm not joking. When you fry butter and then you add onions to it, it gives you a very ooh. Do you know what this means? It means my next baby is going to be twins. Superstitious, very. Okay. Let's go in with our butter. Okay. Guys, don't forget the low heat. Very low heat, right? Yeah. Okay. That aroma that I talked about is there. You can now go in with that one is steaming. Let's finish cutting our veggies. The taste is good?
Yeah.
Okay. Our prawns is ready. So now we can pack it.